everyone, welcome to Miss Corina's Mini Storytime Books. Today's story is called Little Piglet. It is by Really Decent Book Publisher. Everyone is playing in the sun. Piglets roll in the mud. It looks like fun. Cockerel has called the chicks to come and eat. Corn and grain are a tasty treat. Llamas have lunch in the meadow. Their woolly coats just grow and grow. The horses have been pulling the plow. Their work is over. It's time to play now. All the farm friends are together. Say goodbye until next time. Neigh, neigh, sniff, sniff, cluck, cluck, oink, oink. Neigh, neigh, cluck, cluck, sniff, sniff, oink, oink.